Epic landscapes often feel believable because the sky plays a huge role in the visual drama of the scene. Today, how to create photo-bash dramatic skies. Begin inside Photoshop by creating a canvas around 3,500 by 2,000 pixels. Import a landscape environment such as mountains, desert plains, or ocean cliffs and stretch it across the lower portion of the canvas. Now, drag in a dramatic sky image filled with thick clouds or storm formations and place it above the horizon line. If the sky overlaps the terrain, add a layer mask to the sky layer and carefully blend the horizon using a soft